Look at these beautiful juicy slices made from pork belly, packed with flavor, easy to make and perfect for sandwiches, breakfast or snacking. Welcome to Simply Food Recipes. Today we are making flavorful homemade pork belly deli meat using simple ingredients and hand maker. Start with one large piece of pork belly. Cut it into small long pieces so they fit inside your hand maker more easily. Think less giant brick, more puzzle pieces. Trim any extra parts if needed so everything fits nicely. Now measure the curing salt, regular salt and honey. The curing salt helps keep a nice pink color during cooking and gives that classic deli style look. Add the water and stir until everything is combined. Simple ingredients doing serious work. Pour the mixture over the pork belly and knead everything really well. This helps the meat absorb the liquid and release natural proteins that make it sticky and hold together later. So yes, this recipe comes with free hand workout. Add garlic powder to your taste and knead again. Use a little or a lot depending on how much you love garlic. No judgment here. Now pack the pork belly tightly into the hand maker. Press it down firmly as you go so there is as little air inside as possible. We want clean slices later, not surprise holes. Close the hand maker and place it in the fridge for 48 hours. This resting time helps the flavor develop and gives everything time to bind together. Patience pays off. After 48 hours, place the hand maker in a tall pot. Fill with water to about half an inch below the top. Cook at 176 degrees on Fahrenheit for 2 hours. When it's done, place it into cold water or ice water for about 1 hour. This cools it down quickly and helps it firm up nicely. Now slowly remove it from the hand maker. Take your time and ease it out gently. The reveal is always the fun part. Look at the beautiful shape and color. Use a sharp knife or slicer and cut it into thin slices. And that's it. Homemade pork belly deli meat ready to enjoy. Serve it with fresh bread or baguette and mustard, pickles or fresh vegetables. Store leftovers in the fridge in sealed container. This is the full video recipe here on Simply Food Recipes. For more easy homemade food ideas, visit YouTube at Simply Food TK. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, follow and subscribe. Thanks for watching.